Trying to conceive, Ayurveda has some natural supports for couples who are trying to conceive. Shatavari balances female hormones. Ashwagandha reduces stress, boosts male and female fertility. Gokshur supports ovulation and sperm health. Kaunch Beej, that is Kapikachu, supports sperm count, and Shilajit Resin, it enhances the vitality. And a very important ghee, maybe Siddha or the pure form, it nourishes your reproductive system. Nature supports love and life, but consult your doctor before use. Dr. Preeti Trivedi.